Hello, welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you about faces in Revit. Let's continue with the video. Here you can see, so I have assigned all the faces for these walls. So here you can see some walls are in gray halftone and some walls are highlighted with the hatches and some walls are shown in dash dash. So you can see here I have annotated these are existing wall and this is your proposed wall, and the demolition walls are shown in dash dash. Okay, so first of all I can show you how to assign faces. So if you don't select anything, so your property going to show you the view properties. Here in the view properties you can see in the last bottom, here you can see facing. So this is your facing graphics. In case if I select show complete, here you can see the deletion or demolition wall got hidden now, and you can see everything highlighted. And if I change to next option, show new, only whichever is new going to be visible now and everything else is hidden. So these are your facing graphics. Okay, show complete, show all. Okay, and this is your face. Now we are in the new construction. So in case if I change this face to existing one, here you can see whichever is existing it is visible and the proposed one is hidden now. Okay, so these are your settings, and these settings are coming from your default settings, so that you should find it in manage, and here you can see faces. So this is your settings dialog box. So whichever you change here, it is going to be so replicated, it is going to be applied in your view. This is your default facing settings. In case if you want to create a new face, in case if you want to create your sequence drawing, then you can add more sequence here and then you can assign. So I'm going to close this for now. I'm going to tell you how to assign faces. So here I am in new construction phase, so whichever wall I take, that is going to be drawn in new phase. Okay, so I'm going to draw wall. So you can see the graphics. So this is new construction. By default it is getting assigned to new construction phase. Okay, and the demolition, here you can see one more option, phase demolished. Now it is none. In case if you want to show demolition, so this wall supposed to be so existing, phase created, and phase demolition. In the new construction it is getting demolished. So this is how you can assign. But here in Revit, this one you should be very careful with the graphics, because once you assign faces, this is going to show some broken graphics. Okay, so you have to extend and align, trim, and make it perfect for your drawing. Okay, so when you are drawing the wall, you should know in which phase you are drawing the wall. So before drawing you should select the phase. Okay, so I'm in phase new construction and I'm drawing a wall. So this is going to take by default a new construction. In case if I don't want to keep it in new construction, I can select next phase, but here the view graphics also changing and I can draw a wall. In case if you don't want to see any face filter, then you can give face filter none. The none option is not available here. Okay, let's keep it show all. So face filter is show all, and face we have to keep it in the latest phase so that we can see everything. In case if you have not assigned any phase before drawing the wall, so you can change it after drawing also. After you model also, you can change the face. You have to select the element, and here you can change the face, and the graphics also will change. Select the wall, and here you can change to new construction. Demolished, none. You don't have to press apply, you can just click outside. Okay, so these are about facing. So in case if you are doing a sequence drawing, you have to create more faces. Go to manage, select faces, and here you can just create new one. So I'm going to create after. So here you have to select after. If you select before, so the face will get created before the selection. Okay, so in case if you want to delete, you have to combine with next. Now it is phase 5, and I'm going to select after. So here you can type excavation or phase 1, sequence 1, and say sequence 2, and say sequence 3, and say sequence 4. So I'm going to say OK here. So I'm going to show you how a sequence can be assigned in the model. So I'm going to draw a wall. This is my first build, second build, third build, fourth build. Let's see. So I'm going to select the wall. I'm going to assign face as sequence 1, and I'm going to select the second one. I'm going to assign sequence as sequence 2. Select assign face sequence 3. Select assign face sequence 4. Now the view graphics you can show in the drawing. So here in the face you can select sequence 1, create a first view, and select sequence 2, create a second view. Here you can see this is half tone and this is highlighting. So, and go to third, go to fourth. This is how you can create your sequence drawing. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.